Say hello.
Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The girls are napping, so I'm trying to speak softly. So I have an hour to do this power hour as much as I can. So what I'm going to do, probably 7 things in 1 hour as fast as I possibly can. I hope that the girls nap for that long so I can have a continuous hour to clean. So I made a list and I'm going to show you what I hope to accomplish today. So I'm going to tidy up the kitchen, the living room, clean windows, vacuum the whole downstairs, and then mop just the kitchen, the dining, and parts of the living room because that's where the most traffic happens. And also I will hope to dust the TV, the piano, and this white console table behind me. So let's get started.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need,
Let's get to it.
all I ever need is here with you.
I don't know if you're like me, but I have to clean off the surfaces before I even start the actual cleaning process. So I'm just basically putting everything where it belongs and kind of strategizing and analyzing my next step.
Place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Here's a fun fact. I hate unloading the dishwasher. I much rather load it crammed full before every load. And as you can tell, today I tried to cram every dish in there. And I think I did a pretty good job.
Hold it tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you.
We had our kitchen done back in March of this year, and my #1 request was getting a large sink, a farmhouse sink, because I could not wash large items in the sink that I had before. And so I am so thankful for this sink. It has been a lifesaver.
Where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get the things, but I don't care. There is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
What I use on my granite countertops is the Method Granite Cleaner. It is supposed to keep it very conditioned, and also it smells wonderful. It works really, really good getting all of the dirt and debris off of your countertops. I also like using this cleaner on my stainless steel appliances. I feel like it cleans it very well and it keeps that shine, and it doesn't leave like a residue looking surface. So I really, really like that it does that, and I don't have to buy another cleaner for another, item. And as always, I clean my glass top stove with that Lysol cleaner. It works really well. We've had this table and chairs since we moved into this home. However, it's been damaged over the years, and one of the chairs is completely broken. And my 2-year-old at the time pulled down a shelf, and it landed on the table instead of her, which thank God it was the table. But because of that, one of the corners is completely smashed in. So I think we're gonna have to say goodbye to it probably next year. So be on the lookout for a new table and chairs. I bought these bottom shelf totes for my first daughter to play with in the living room, to put all of her toys in there, just to kind of do it in a discreet way without it being, messy. They have held up really, really well. There obviously have been a few casualties where she would like to sit in them and stretch them out, and eventually one of them completely got a hole in it. So I'm gonna have to buy new ones, but I will link these in my description box. That way you can have some, because I do recommend them. They're very sturdy. Now I know if you're watching a cleaning video, you've probably seen these Dysons. Mine is brand new. It is my Christmas gift from my husband. He got this for me like a month or two ago, and oh my goodness, it is amazing and saves me so much time and so much back-breaking work, and I just can't say enough good about it. So I will link this model and make in the description box in case, you want to request it for your Christmas gift this year.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So
Hey guys, my battery died in the middle of cleaning, but I kept track of how much time I had left, so let's get back into it. Alright, so now we're going to do some mopping and hopefully get this done before my battery dies again. Yeah, I was talking to the camera. I'm going to mop. I am. Mom's cleaning. So if you could hear her, she was being a very investigative little toddler and wanting to know what I was doing. So here I am mopping with a spray mop. I forgot the name of it. I'll link it in the description box as well. I like it. I like that I can use my own liquid. And basically it has a changeable pad. I probably should buy another one. But anyway, it's very, very useful and quick to use and easy to use. a little mom hack if you want to just dust a surface without having to get like many products out. I use a Swiffer dust pad that I just bought from the Dollar Tree. You just use it as a duster basically. I love using them on my piano because it gets so dusty so often, and I don't really want to use any product on the piano just because I don't want it to damage it, so dusting it is the perfect option. Also, TVs are great for this too because you don't want to use product on your TV screen. Say hello.
Hi. Hello.
Alright, so I'm all finished cleaning with probably 5 minutes to spare. I started around 2:45. I had to stop at 3:35 and then I started back at about... So as I was saying, I was cleaning and these two lovelies woke up and interrupted my hour. But that's okay, that's real life. Let me mute Blippi. So here's the finished product of the living room. Oh, the rug has already been messed up, but that's, again, real life. Here's Naomi. Hey, honey. No. And here's Saroon. Hey. That's our living room. Here's our kitchen. Nice and clean. Don't mind the tripod. Let me move that. Here's our kitchen, our charging station. I finally got enough battery power for this portion of the video. I was hoping to dry these and put them away, but I'll do that now. Not a big task. Nice and clean surfaces. Smells amazing in here from all the mopping. Also, I use, let me show you what I use for the mopping. I gotta take that trash out. I use this for the mopping. It goes a long way. Dishes in the sink already. Here's our sweet puppy, Dolce. Hi, honey. So, everything looks nice and shiny. Ready for the weekend, guys. So, enjoy watching this video over and over again and get that motivation. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.